Your entire body is covered by just 4 types of cells, and if you understand these, half of histology becomes very easy. Let's master the epithelium in just 2 minutes. Epithelium is the sheet of closely packed cells that covers your body surface, lines the cavity, and forms the gland. It has very little intercellular material and no blood vessel at all, and rests on the basement membrane. So here I created a simple chart for you guys. Epithelium is divided into simple epithelium and the stratified epithelium. Simple means there is a single layer of cells, and stratified means there are multiple layers of cells. Simple epithelium again further divided into simple squamous, simple cuboidal, and simple columnar epithelium, and stratified epithelium into stratified squamous and pseudostratified columnar epithelium. Let's look one by one. First is simple squamous epithelium. As you can see here, the diagrammatic representation. It is a single layer of latent cells, thin scale-like appearance, and flattened cells with central nuclei. Here is the histology image. As you can see, it is very flat cells. And the main function is a rapid diffusion in lung alveoli, filtration in kidney glomeruli, and friction reduction in mesothelium. So next is simple cuboidal epithelium. This is a single layer of cube-like cells. Here you can see these are the cube-like cells with a central round nucleus, and cell width and height are approximately of equal size. So width of the cell is equal to height of the cell is the important feature in this epithelium, and function is absorption, as you can see in kidney tubules, secretion in small glands, and structural support to the tissue. This is the histological image. Here you can see a nice simple cuboidal epithelium. Next up is simple columnar epithelium, and this is a single layer of epithelium where the cells are tall. As you can see here, this is a small intestine histological image. Tall cells with elongated nuclei, and the nuclei are present at the base. Here you can see all the nuclei are present towards the base side, which is found in the stomach, small intestine, also gallbladder. Function of this is absorption as secretion and structural support. Next is pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium, which looks multi-layered, but every cell touches the basement membrane. Why it is called pseudostratified? Because of its multi-layered arrangement and nuclei arranged at various levels. As you can see, these nuclei are at upper, these nuclei are present at the lower pole. So it gives the appearance as a pseudo stratification. So that's why it is called as pseudostratified columnar epithelium, and the function is secretion of mucus, propulsion of mucus by ciliary action, and the protection of respiratory tract. Next up is transitional epithelium. Transitional epithelium, as you can see, it is a stratified epithelium. Appearance changes with the stretching. As it stretches, appearance is changed. Apical cells are, as you can see here, apical cells are large, rounded, dome shaped when relaxed, and cell flatten as the tissue stretch. Polypodal nuclei common in the dome cells. Function is to accommodate fluctuation of volume in urine tract, protect the underlying tissue from urine toxicity, and it is highly stretchable. Next up is stratified epithelium, that is stratified squamous epithelium. Here there are 2 types of epithelium. This is non-keratinized stratified squamous epithelium, and this is keratinized stratified squamous epithelium. As you can see, there is a nice keratin layer here, and there is no keratin layer at this. These are the multiple layers. Surface cells remain nucleated and living. and basal cells are cuboidal in nature or columnar in nature. What is the main function? Main function is protect underlying tissue from the abrasion and secretion as well as lubrications. Function as the epidermis, forms the epidermis of the skin, protect against abrasion, water loss, pathogens, and main function is the mechanical defense. Remember, always flat cells are equal to diffusion. Cuboidal cells is equal to secretion. Columnar cells is equal to absorption. Cilia is equal to movement. And last but not least is the stratified epithelium, which gives protection. So this is the trick to remember what are the function of that particular epithelium. Thank you.